Essence Lash Princess Volumizing Mascara. That sounded extra. Mascara. Yes. A mascara. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Madelaine, and today I am going to be showing you guys a drugstore makeup haul. We recently went on a mini shopping spree, so I figured I'd show you guys some of the stuff we got. So first I got the Nudes eyeshadow palette by Maybelline. The thing I really loved about this palette that drew my attention to it is that it has some little ideas in the back for looks you could try. So I might do some of those in another video. That would be kind of cool. So this product here cost $14.99 Canadian. All of the prices I'll be listing will also be in Canadian, just so you know, because that is where I am from. Continuing, I have the Covergirl TruNaked Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. This one was also $14.99, and as well it also has some little ideas on the back that I thought was really cool. So I was like, I have to. And plus, I really love the darker colors in here because you guys can see that's who I am as a person. Next, I got a Covergirl TruBlend Super Stunner palette. I figured I would use these as like a future highlighter because I prefer like a more golden look sort of thing over a silvery one. So I really love this. And this product is $12.99. So that's also a fairly awesome price for me personally. And it comes with 3 different colors, which is awesome. Next I have the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Matte Long Lasting Setting Spray. This one here was $10.99. I currently have the, I currently have the dewy finish version of it, so I thought maybe I would try something new with the matte finish. I'm excited, and I love the bottle. Next, I have a L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow palette. This is number 209. I got it because it's all black, and I do wear a lot of dark makeup, a lot of black makeup, eyeshadow, so I figured it'd be better to get sort of a larger version that I could use more frequently than all the other colors. And this one here is only $6.99, and I am so excited to open it because I am running out of eyeshadow. The next one I have here is a Covergirl TruBlend Base Business Skin Primer, and it's the pore minimizing one. I've realistically never used a primer, so this is going to be my first time. I don't really know the differences between them, so be patient with me throughout these videos, please. This here is $12.99 Canadian, so you better be good. I'm gonna fight somebody. The next things I got were these Super Stay Matte Ink Maybelline lipsticks. I've been seeing a lot about them through like Instagram and things like that, and I was like, I have to try. So I have them here. I got them in colors Dreamer, in Voyager, and also in Protector. I'm pretty excited about Protector because like it's a brown, a chocolatey brown, like yours truly, and I'm hoping I look hella fresh. So yeah, I'll probably be doing a review video on these pretty soon actually because I'm really excited. As you can see, I love matte lipsticks. These also retail at $8.99 each, which personally I think is amazing because Maybelline already is one of my favorite companies to use. So if these are good, $8.99 is a steal. Fingers crossed. So the next one I have here is an Essence Lash Princess Volumizing Mascara. This one here is only $4.99. honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually using it right now because I have it previously. And we can zoom in on my eyelashes. I have like no eyelashes, but they are so long with these, and I absolutely love it. Next here, I have the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This little buddy here is $8.99. I'm really excited because, like, being my skin color, it's sometimes hard to find things that go well with what I feel looks good on me. So this color I'm very excited for. It looks like creamy, a little caramelly, and I feel like it'll be a good accent to all of this brown egg going on. Last item here for our little haul video thing is the QUO Full Eyelash Kit eyelashes. I've never actually worn false eyelashes before, so I'm probably gonna do a video of trying to put these on. Y'all bear with me. This here was $9.99, and it comes with the adhesives, the little stick thingies. Sorry, I don't know the names. Batons, baby chopsticks. I tried. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to try these. They're so cute. Like, look at them. They're so fluffy, but not really fluffy. I like these. I feel like they'll look a lot more natural on me, which I'm a lot more okay with. I don't need my eyebrows going to the sky now. I need to keep it mellow, keep it chill. Well, that was my mini drugstore haul video. The total for that, minus the root beer we bought, would be roughly $130 Canadian. We actually got all of these things at Shoppers Drug Mart. If you guys have a Shoppers Drug Mart, honestly go to it. Shoppers is, I feel, really good when it comes to makeup, unless you're dark, because I have yet to find a concealer. And frankly, I don't think I ever will. I use the darkest foundation color, so they try. All in all, I'm actually really pleased with the things I got. I cannot wait to show you guys how they feel, how they work, how they are on me. So keep watching this channel and you can slowly watch me learn how to use makeup more proficiently, learn how to identify things better, learn the names of some of these things. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, then please like the video. And if you like me, then subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.